Alright, let's look at the homework 3.1, problem number 10. Alright, so it says that we want to find the value of c so that y equals 9 over 4x plus 9 is tangent to the curve y equals c times square root of x. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so first thing is, let's see, I'm going to say this is the tangent line, say at x equals a. Right? We don't know this a though. Right? So which means that here, this guy, so if you plug a for x, you get the y is equal to c times square root of a. Right? So which means that if you plug in a for x and the c square root of a for y, it still satisfies. So I'm gonna say y is c square root of a. So put that in. Right? Then you have is equal to 9 over 4 a plus 9. Right? So because this point is supposed to be on the tangent line and the curve as well. Right? Another thing we can do is we know the slope. Slope actually shows up right here, right? And derivative tells you about the slope of the tangent line, so we can take the derivative of this. First, I don't like square root, so I'm going to write it as a 1/2 power. Then we can take the derivative. So y prime is equal to, alright, so c, and put 1/2 in front. X, subtract 1 from the power, so negative 1/2. So this is simply c over 2, and x is on the bottom, 1/2 power, square root. Right? So the derivative at a is going to be 9/4. So we have this guy, c over 2 times square root of a is going to be equal to 9/4. Right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to actually solve for square root of a and plug it in here and plug it in there. Right? So let's do that. So first I'm going to just multiply both sides by 2. Right? That way you're going to have just a c over square root of a is equal to 9/4 times 2 is 9/2. Right? Then since we're looking for square root of a, so I'm going to take the reciprocal of both sides. We get the square root of a over c is equal to 2 over 9. Right? Then we can just multiply through by c to get the square root of a is equal to 2 over 9 c. Right? Then I'm going to plug this guy in here. And also we can plug it in here too. This is a, so we just have to square that. Right? So let's put that in. Right? C times, right, square root of a is same thing as 2 over 9 c, right, is equal to, right, 9/4. Right, a is just a square of this, so it's going to be 2 squared would be 4, right, 9 squared, I'm going to put 9 squared, and the c squared, and a plus 9, right. Then we can simplify, so here 9 and the 9 cancel out, 4 and 4 cancel out, right? So what you get is, this is 2 over 9 c squared is equal to 1 over 9 c squared plus 9, right? Then we can subtract 1 over 9 c squared to get the 1 over 9 c squared is equal to 9. So if you multiply by 9, you get c squared is equal to 9 squared. right? Which means that by taking a square root, C is going to be plus or minus 9, right? But C in this case is going to be, let's see here, we want, let's see, in order for which, let's see, 9/4 here, in order for this guy to be true, you can see that the C's cannot be negative, so we know that this is actually positive 9, right? So let's plug it in, positive 9, submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.